Metal or rubber separators or spacers are only used before your banding appointment in order to create very slight spaces between the teeth. This created space makes it easier to place the metal bands, usually around the back teeth. When flossing, avoid the spaces between the teeth. Where the separators have been placed, they'll be dislodged. For the same reason, avoid chewy and sticky foods. If the separator comes out more than a day or two before your next appointment, call the office to have it replaced.